Stage one of discipline in the country. Yeah,
Jamaica is great. I'm gonna come from Africa. Never forget that.
me don't want to be no done. And me don't want to be no politician.
Okay.
Greetings and welcome to YG Nature Life. Hope you all doing well. Hope you all doing great. As you can see by the title, today we'll be reacting to Ninjaman on the Fix channel. So let's go.
I play Dan, you know. Dan is something you play.
Yeah.
You understand? Dan is something you have to deal with. You understand? And
You don't play Dan. And your name Dan Gargan. Alright.
if you play a Dan for the beneficiary of your country, I don't want that role. You understand? Two role me don't want. Me don't want to be no Dan. And me don't want to be no politician.
Okay.
Them two responsibility there, me no want for my head.
Wait, are we still on movies or
Yeah.
is still movies?
Yeah, boy, you ask me what role and thing and I make you know say.
Yeah,
me
no
want
one
to be no
them.
Dan.
Okay.
And me no want to be no politician. Because by all means, somewhere down the line, you're gonna be
Yeah, man,
corrupt.
that's serious.
Talk for them really like agree with the we hear about out against careless living. I make a talk with you, so some man just live some life a beggy all them thing then. Me full whole heart. Yeah, like a beg on a ground and them like we really agree with the Ninjaman.
There are certain things that we can put stoppage to, and there are certain things that people have to put stoppage to, and there are certain things that the government have to put in infrastructure that stoppage can put to these things. Cause it will look bad more time to see the youth them 7 days a week and twice on Sundays out on the street a beg. But at the end of the day, what is there for them to do?
True.
Enough things. You don't know the world change. Everybody can get a business online or use a Wi-Fi connection on a phone, a laptop, or one of them. And you get money just like that. Research about that. Things change. Trust me.
No job for them.
True.
Cause me know not, you have more
If you don't have a work, make work.
with a whole heap of scholarship and whole heap of subject.
You see?
And right now, them they in the ghetto right there, someone sit down on sidewalk, I drink rum and boom.
Yeah.
You want them amigo.
This country need need a set of people who look out for the
Not a joke though. It's not a joke.
fast and hold them head
Serious thing.
to want it to be a part of Jamaica society. But I don't see them put out the interest. Them want to put out the interest to turn people into criminal. If you get up tomorrow morning, you chop a man in the face and the man face chop out and 19 news it company. If you save a baby from drowning, you know you want one time.
True.
That does mean the news and the world, they focus on negative more than positive. You see, they're trying to give the world a bad reputation, especially in Jamaica.
This country is good at them, good at building
Yeah, some,
dinosaur, monster, all the things them have to make Jamaica look bad. But if you do the things them to make Jamaica becomes a good country, nobody
I
knows.
want to do that.
And okay, you talk them no year.
So what are the things that you think that the government can do? You know, like
Or should be doing.
change. Yeah.
The government must first discipline the country. Stage one of discipline in the country, you are going to start to deal with the youth them and the parents them of the country. Because them have it for saying the youth them are destroy the country, the youth them are fire shot, the youth them are this and the youth them are do that. There's a lot of things that the government supposed to put stoppage to, like youths, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, who is on the street after 1, 2, 3 o'clock at night time, begging money, running behind people car.
Real talk.
Marking car glass.
So this, how them going to do it? Them gonna see all these youth, take them up off of the street, find out where them parents there. You find the parents home, you leave the youth outside in the police vehicle, knock up the door. When you knock up the door, if the mother inside asleep, and you ask her, where is your son? And she turned to you and said, me no see him from evening, you're going to see him now, you're going to jail. So the only way if you stop them things from going, discipline the parents as how you that discipline the child.
Okay, you could say that, but some kids are unruly, no matter how you teach them. Yes, I'm young, but still I know. I have knowledge, I know how it is sometimes, you know. So what do you think? Leave in the comments how we can make the world a better place, how we can stop crime in Jamaica. I say it's poverty. We need a better economy and all these things. And then yes, the world will be better. Jamaica, all this poor country. Africa is rich, Jamaica riches too, but it's just the distribution, it's education, and it's the government system. How Babylon want a place to stay. So leave in the comments how you think we can make Jamaica better, Africa better, the world better. Yeah, man.
Then and again, them have one next thing again where they might take up the youth them. When the youth them are 15, 16 and then hold them with a gun. You carry them, you remand them in a custody, and you remand them at general penitentiary, you remand them at high rising, and you remand them where all graduated criminals are. These youth them go down to the prison and then build a wider network and them come out and then becomes a menace to society. Why not build a military boot camp for all them young youth who are getting a problem? You understand? Build a military boot camp with primary school, high school, college, and university. Because the reason why you need a military boot camp, the most disciplined and the most trained place in the country right now, the place or the institution with the most discipline is in the army.
GDF, yeah.
Because when you go down at the station now, when the soup, them a call the soup them bossy. Them a call the inspector general and Dan and them something there. And that a run a station now. Soup, general, bossy and Dan.
Not the proper title.
Godfather. When you're in the army, if a dog is a sergeant, you have to salute him as a sergeant. If he is a commander, you have to salute him and give him respect as a commander and answer him, yes, sir, no, sir.
Yeah.
You have to get up on time to do your chores as you're supposed to do it. These are what the younger youths in Jamaica need. Some people who to guide them through the way of discipline and how to come up to be someone important to the country. All the youths them getting in Jamaica now, the government handed out, they took away cocaine from them because this is a system where we have to addict it to something. We are a nation that we are very wise, we are very powerful, and if we only keep ourselves straightforward and focused, there is no nation in the world greater than Jamaica. So the only way them can defeat Jamaican is to have us in some form.
We have our music, we have our athletics, our dances, our food, our sports, all these type of things. Jamaica is great. And we come from Africa. Never forget that. We are great and we're from Africa. Yes, sir. Anybody disagree, you can disagree until end of time. Africa I come from. Africa you come from.
Them have we a crime and violence, then have we a cocaine. Yeah? Or then have we something for carry down with self-esteem. Well, I can tell you something. Them bring cocaine come and then say everybody not die from cocaine. Them still after the great Jamaicans them. So them bring a next thing you know, where wicked and cocaine and Jamaica people see that something here. We don't notice that from Hennessy come in, 99% of the youth them are dead from diabetes and arthritis.
Hennessy?
Hennessy. Everybody we are drink Hennessy are dead from diabetes.
Shout out Bounty.
I mean I ask you.
I not know this.
You're going to get diabetes and you drink too much Hennessy. Every drink a rum like a brain cell.
You sure it's not like soda? Soda. So we're having
alright.
Sugar.
I think that's a part of the plan for the younger kids.
You will never tell you for now, no?
Yeah.
Let's see me when you start drink sugar and water from today till the end of year. and him drink Hennessy and say which one I got dead first. I wish one I got
At the
end up
hospital.
at the hospital first.
I think that's automatic, Sammy. Yeah.
Well, because it's liver poisoning, but not diabetes. I mean, yeah. Well, I don't know the
I
sugar
gonna give
content in
you,
Hennessy.
I don't know where your sugar come from, but you're gonna get it. The only thing them can do for music is to open back music market like it was in the 70s and the 80s and stop pressure artists who them not know about. You understand me? Because them keep having saying that is music corrupting the youth them of today's. I can ask you something. When I sing say I have one house a gun, you see the house a gun?
No.
I personally
When I
don't.
say one world of bomb, do you see the world of bomb?
Can you imagine?
When you watch Third World Cup and see me back my gun and go so police what's it that and bust it from the police, you see me shoot up by police down.
Yeah. That's
So
all.
what is that? When Jimmy Cliff run down Ozzy through the gully and I lick beer shot off of him, you see it down.
Yeah.
When Rambo pull up the gun and put it back together, you see how he do it down.
Seeing the pattern.
In a New Jack City, when them a cook up the coke and something and teach the people them how
So
to do
people
it.
see
So now
it.
the
All
movie is
entertainment.
more to directing the youth them to crime and violence more than music. Music is just what people build. Lyrics are for where things will happen.
But you know, say you can paint a picture with music.
Yeah,
Yeah,
lyrics,
because I was just
So what do you think? Leave in the comments. Is music worse or movies worse when it comes down to crime and violence? Me personally, the two of them is bad. But I would say movies are worse because okay, music is in your subconscious. You're listening, you can hear it, and you think about it. Or movies, you can learn from both of them. Or movies is like, you don't have to imagine, you can see it everywhere. You can see it right there. And also, you don't need to understand the language to understand the movie. When you see a gun bust or something like that, you know how to do it. Or you see the action, you don't have to hear nothing. So, leave in the comments what you think.
Listen, you paint a picture. What kind of picture you can paint? Words can paint picture.
I mean, not literally.
Yeah, but I mean, you can think of it in your mind.
Yeah, Mr. Lyrical, yeah.
Oh. Words can't paint no picture. Word is sound
You
and
can paint
power.
picture in your mind.
You
Yes.
understand? And let me tell you something. It's up for you to hear and it's up for you to understand. If me tell you, say me have a gun and me can pull down the gun and me tell you how me pull down the gun and you know see how me pull down the gun, you can pull down the gun. But
If the instructions are right, then yes. And you can figure out a way on your own. But Ninjaman, you're going, man.
show you how to pull down the gun, you see it. You know how to do it.
It's your Google.
What is more destroying the people them? You understand? What destroy the people them? Neglection, sufferation, frustration. You get up every day and have nothing to do. All you see in front of you is a bottle of rum and boom and a spliff.
Come on, man.
And after the rum, boom and spliff. Nothing more than reason.
Fruits. You have fruits, you have beach. Jamaica is nice. Jamaica is beautiful.
For your knife. And that's where it started.
If you check on the channel, you see all my vlogs from Jamaica. I have more coming, so don't worry about that.
The government or the system need to put some structure in place that the younger generation have things to do. People
Ninjaman
will
to
not
talk.
associate with nothing
Let me
because
say-
people know say me not like labor right and me don't like PNP.
Yeah.
And you no can beat me but me word you no can stop. Me not like labor right and me not like PNP.
Yeah, okay.
Because me not see where them for.
I mean, say more artists, if you see more artists doing these things, I'm not afraid
Me
to
is
do
not
these
a
things.
politician. Me respect Portia Simpson, me respect Andrew Holness, me respect all leaders of the country. But as far as politics concerned,
Politics.
I am not political affiliated and I will not. The only politics me are dealing is PPP, People's Prime Minister for Peace,
Peace and
Love and Unity, and that me dealing. I want to see a better Jamaica, not a corrupt Jamaica, not a destroyed Jamaica, but a Jamaica who stands strong like when Usain Bolt run a Beijing or Berlin.
Yeah, unity is it. Alright, Ninjaman. See you from the Dangagan. Leave your comments what you think. And if you want to watch the full video, because that's a compilation that I made. If you want to watch the full video, you search The Fix Ninjaman. And you can find the full video on YouTube. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and look for the next video coming soon. Give thanks.